So here's how you can create a new Fiverr account for yourself. It's quite simple and easy to do, but make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any of the steps. So the first thing you're gonna do is come up here and open up any browser in your system. You're gonna click on this search box and type in Fiverr Fiverr. So here you can see a bunch of different links, and the original one is this www.fiverr.com. Just click on this. Now as you're here, you can see in the top right corner join button. Just click on this. Now you have different options like you're gonna join from your Facebook, Apple ID, email or Google. I'm gonna do Google from here. Select any of the Google account that you have. You're just gonna type in any username that you want for yourself and press enter. Now it's gonna ask you to select any of the two options like buying freelance services or you're selling freelance services. So you can select any of these here, or you can skip this also. Now it's gonna ask you to select any of the three options from here which says you're using Fiverr for your primary job or business, side project or personal use. Or you can also skip this. Now you can select any team members in here if you want, or you can skip this also. If you're willing to do any of the three things here, like to start a project, a specific service, or just exploring today, you can select any of these. I'm skipping this also. It says that you're all done and just click on this start exploring. So here you can see this message that your account has been created successfully.